Yo, what's up everyone on YouTube? I'm Amaret's Got Kicks. I'm back again with another video. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I'm doing another unboxing video that just came in the mail, I believe, about 2 days ago. From a local sneaker consignment store. It's the only one we have in my hometown, so I was looking for this pair of shoes since release day. I couldn't get them on release day. This is a pair of Jordans, and if you know, Jordans are extremely hard to get these days because they were already hard to get, and then the Netflix documentary The Last Dance came out, and that just made the resale market for Jordans just skyrocket. It went crazy. So I got these for retail. Thankful for that. I didn't have to pay resale for it. Resale's pretty good on it right now. I got them in my size. They only had one pair and one size left on their website, and it happened to be my size. Now I'm stuck between either keeping them or reselling them. I just got into reselling. I've been trying to get the hype stuff, but of course, because we live in an age of bots, so bots just destroy websites. They just take every pair and nobody can get them, or websites don't get enough pairs in, and then the people that have bots will go and pick up whatever sizes and pairs they can get and then flip them for resale afterwards. So I'm not one of the fortunate ones. I don't have a bot. I'm more of a, people, one of those people that like to buy shoes in person, or I buy them if I can get them online. I don't use a bot. I do the traditional method, like the old school method of adding to cart method, right? So I got these for retail. The suggested retail was $250 on these. Taxes in, it came to $280. This is a pair of Jordan 3s. I'm just gonna unbox it right now. Sorry for the room being so dark. It's actually really bright outside, and it was giving me this like glare. And I have like I don't know why I have a really bad headache today, so I didn't want to have the light bother me. Um. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you what these look like. I'm actually surprised that they had these left in stock. These released, I believe, a couple months back, maybe a few months back. Now, if you can see, the box is just right inside right there. You see the Jumpman logo on it. These have pretty good resale right now. I have like quite a few shoes in my collection right now. I'm trying to downsize it and get more limited and hype stuff, but I can't ever get any collab stuff, so I just try to get whatever I can. I will give you a look at these. If it just, let's just zoom in. Went with a size 9, which is my traditional size, my normal size in Jordans. The colorway is Varsity Royal, and that's all it says. Now, if you may have an idea what I'm talking about, these are a pair of the blue cement Jordan 3s. I think these are sick. Some people have mixed thoughts on them. Some people said they were ugly. Some said they were nice. I think these are beautiful, like absolutely gorgeous. I had bought a pair of these in the red cement colorway a couple months, about a month or two back, and I sold them. They sold the next day. Like, they showed up in the mail, and the next day they sold. I had put them up on Marketplace on Facebook, and some guy's like, yo, I'll buy them. They're my size. I went with the odd size. They weren't even my size. They were size 10, but he happened to be a size 10, so he was like, I'll take them. Flipped them for $300. I was like, you know what? Like, I bought them for $265, sold them for $3, so made about $35-40 profit on top. That's not too bad. See what the resale market's like on these. I know that they're going for about anywhere between $3 to $350 right now. Same with the laser oranges. But oh yeah, these are gorgeous. Now, the color won't pick up that great on the camera, but I'll show you a bit of up close. There we are. So the leather, I don't know. Like, I don't know why Jordan Brand does this. Some people had mixed opinions on these. Some were saying the leather's good. Some were saying it's plasticky and it's shit. Um, Now personally, the leather on here, like, it's not bad. It's not good. It's your normal Jordan Brand leather. Um, but I love how they did the color blocking on these. So the whole front of the toe area right here is this elephant print, which all Jordan 3s pretty much come with. And then the heel has the same elephant print. Then you got the Jumpman logo on the heel in white on a black pull tab. You got gray perforated leather around the heel collar right here. Gray leather tongue with the blue Jumpman logo. You got flat black laces, but it does come with a secondary set of laces, which are royal blue. I personally think there'd be too much blue, so black will be fine. Then it's sitting on top of this mostly white midsole. It has a black heel, like brace or whatever they're called to add structure to the shoe, so it doesn't like cave in on itself. Now, and I didn't know this, but I just found out recently that the Jordan 3 is very similar to the Air Max 1 and the Air Max 90 because it's made by Tinker Hatfield. Um, these actually have a 4-foot Nike Air unit. It's not visible to the eye. I didn't know that. You don't really feel it. The only one you see is this one right here, which is actual window to like show the Air unit. And then you got the gray and a white outsole. It says Jordan right there in royal blue. And then you got the royal blue hit right there. Then the insole is a royal blue insole with a white Jumpman logo on it. And then here's the laces that I was talking about, the color match laces. If you want to, it actually comes with another set, a second set. It comes with white laces also. I think the white would look pretty sick. Nothing different with this shoe. It's the exact same. I've been waiting to get these in hand and do a review on it. Personally, would I rock these? Yeah, I would rock them. But I don't know. See what I can get for these. If they do resale, have any resale value. Like if they do resell, then I might flip them. But for the time being, yes, these are dead stock. I get constantly asked when I post my stuff on Marketplace. Are they dead stock? Are they brand new? Are they ever tried on and worn? No, these are dead stock. These came straight from a sneaker consignment store. These are 100% authentic. Now, you may be thinking, what are you talking about? It's authentic. They're real, okay? Authentic means real because there are a lot of counterfeit Jordans on the market you have to watch out for. There's a lot of fakes. I don't deal with fakes. There's a lot of fake Yeezys, a lot of fake Jordans, and also the Yeezy 350 breads. Those are restocking December 5th, which I believe is this Saturday. I'm going to try to secure a pair of those because they haven't restocked those since they came out a couple years ago. I did get a pair of the black and gold patent leather Jordan 1 highs. And also got a pair of the white infrared Air Max 90s from Foot Locker, so I'm waiting for those to come in the mail, and then I got these. I know I've been spending quite a bit on sneakers lately, but I'm just trying to make my money's worth out of them, that's all. Hopefully it'll pay off one day. I don't know if it ever will, but, you know, we gotta keep at it. We gotta keep grinding. But until later, guys, keep supporting, keep liking, commenting, and subscribing. Hopefully I can figure out how to edit my videos eventually. I don't know what program to use. Some people are using Sony Vegas Pro. Some people are using Adobe Premiere Pro. I don't know how to edit, so I just film my videos this way. But until later, guys, much love, thanks. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let me know what your thoughts on this video and these shoes are. Take care, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm out. Peace, bye.